everybody? It's your girl Dwani here, and I'm back with another video. What's up, everybody? Hope everybody's having a great day. Hope you're having a blessed day, week, whichever. I know today was been great. It's been nice and sunny today, and just had a great day, you guys. Finish up, doing my loads and stuff, and had to travel a little bit further. I had to drive like an hour and a half or so outside the metro area where I'm at, and but yeah, everything was great. So anyways, you guys, I wanted to get on here and actually discuss with you guys and talk about local or over the road loads. Which are better? Which one is better for you? Okay. Now, I have experience actually both, and currently right now I'm doing local courier services with a company. I signed up with a company that I do courier services with, and I do, of course, I do deliveries within the area or outside the area. Okay. And before that, for a brief moment, I did over the road. Okay, it was a couple times I went out of state or within state, but it wasn't in my metro area. It was like in El Paso, so West Texas. So I had to go to West Texas, and of course I've been to Omaha, Nebraska. Ever since I've been doing my cargo van business and stuff. So, and to be quite honest, I really do like the local, because there's pros and cons, with being local and over the road. But there's more pros with local than there is with over the road. Okay, because with over the road, because you constantly have to make sure your equipment is working, make sure everything's in a working order before doing any type of deliveries or traveling. Make sure everything, like your tires, your mechanical, make sure there's no mechanical issues, oil changes, and all that stuff, which you normally have to do anyways, even if you were local or over the road. But those are the constant things that you have to make, sure that everything's in a working order, more so over the road, because you're over the road, so you're going to be driving a lot more, because the distance and all that stuff, you're going to be from here to there, point A to point B, so it's going to take a lot of stress on your equipment. So that's why it's highly important to make sure you make sure everything is in working order before you start making deliveries over the road. Of course, with local, like you guys seen in my other videos, of course, I recently gotten new tires for my van. Okay, and of course, the oil change and things like that and stuff, which is like the norm that you have to do and everything. Due to there's times I do have to travel outside the metro area. There's been plenty of times where that has happened, but it's within my state, the state of Texas. But I still had to, make sure everything's in working order and stuff before you start making like those big trips. And I prefer local, even though it's bi-weekly, but you're home every day. I get off at 5 o'clock. It's Monday through Friday, so I have my weekends open. Okay, and then but see, with over the road, it's mostly like you're just going like nonstop. While I'm chilling at home, on a Saturday and Sunday, but you got people out here that are actually making deliveries on those days where mostly people are relaxing, and of course you get paid weekly. For the most part, you get paid weekly. Okay, when you're over the road, because everything pretty much, as far as with the pay between the two, everything kind of like averages up about the same for the most part. For the most part, over the road is going to be a lot more than what local pay would be. But normally that's pretty much, they try to equal out everything as far as with the pay scale. Now there is some situations where, like when you're doing over the road, you have to bid for your loads. Now there's a lot of that issue going on, like, you know, as far as with the bidding, like people bidding too low. That's the main issue. That's what's going on right now, and that's why a lot of people are like steering away from, you know, this type of business, because people tend to lowball on the offers, and you're not making any money off of it, and that's why people are out here, you know, selling their vans and stuff, because it's because of the lowballing, and with the gas prices, you know, going up and everything, and you know, it's just really messed up right now. It is totally messed up. And but luckily with the courier company that I'm with, ever since the gas price has been up, they add 10% more of a fuel surcharge. Okay, so when we make our deliveries, they charge the customer 10% more due to the gas prices going up. So that helps us out as far as, like, you know, us getting gas and stuff. You know, we're getting a little bit more than what we had normally had before. So, but I pretty much, that's my intake of, you know, doing over the road or doing local. And that's pretty much, you know, what's going on right now. It's just the whole lowballing and all that stuff on these loads. It's just insane. Like, some of the people do like have like screenshots of loads that these brokers are offering are just like ridiculous. Nobody cannot survive what they're trying to pay people. Nobody can survive on that. I mean, because it's like you gotta take care of like so much stuff. You're taking care of a business and you're taking care of your equipment. You know, they're not keeping in consideration that fuel prices, maintenance for your vehicle, or anything like that. And it's really sad, to be quite honest, that they, you know, like, people just basically, they just don't care. People really don't care. And that's just being honest and being true. The people just don't care. And, you know, and that's why the situation is just crazy right now. It's just absolutely crazy, because you got people who are lowballing, and, you know, you got these brokers don't want to pay anything, don't want to pay for what your worth is and stuff. So I guess that's why I just pretty much, you know, steered away from over the road, because I had experienced, you know, some situations like that, and I'm just like, it's just not adding up. And, you know, with you filling up all the time and stuff, and, you know, it just wasn't adding up. You're losing money. So as I was like, I'll just try to, you know, find a courier services that's local in my area, and just have to get paid bi-weekly and stuff, and, you know, to make sure all my bills and everything are still paid, you know, and insurance and all that stuff. So, but yeah, I mean, that's pretty much what what this video is about. Just want to come on here and discuss that, and, you know, talk to you guys. You know, those are, you know, trying to figure out if they want to go local or over the road. I'm just expressing my experience. Of course, other people are experiencing similar situations and stuff. So this is all about. And another thing too, it all depends on if you have our relationships with shippers. You know, I heard a lot of people are saying, like, you know, create business cards. That's what I plan on doing. Is I got my shirts with my company information. I got my shirts that came in the other day, and everything, and now it's got to work on getting business cards and pass them out, to different, shippers or these smaller, mom and pop places, and stuff. Those are, a few things that you guys can do, and, you can get pretty much 100% of your money. You don't have to, percentage here, percentage there. The middleman is cut out. It's just you and the shipper. It's you and that shipper's relationship between y'all two of an agreement that you guys agreed upon. As far as they're offering this stuff for you to deliver, and you're offering your delivery services to them to help move their product. So just keep that all in mind, you guys. I know, this. I'm not gonna lie. This job, this industry, it can be very stressful, you guys. It can be very stressful, especially with everything going up, and with the insurance and stuff. With me paying $735 a month for insurance, ain't gonna lie, it's stressful. But I always try to make sure I come up with different other plans. Make sure if A doesn't work out, I have my B plan. So I have other things lined up. So in case something happens, I have my other options available for me, and other opportunities, in case something doesn't work out. So that's my recommendations. Those are my opinions. Hopefully, this answers y'all's questions and stuff. Those of you that have questions and everything and stuff. And but yeah, I just want to say I want to thank everybody for all the new people that came, that have recently subscribed to my channel. I greatly appreciate you guys. I know I say that in every video, but yeah, I just want to show my appreciation to you guys, and and just want to share my thoughts and my opinions about the business. Just try to help you guys out, and everything. And but other than that, you guys, that's pretty much going to be the end of the video. Until next time, like I said in my last video, I'm affiliate with Advanced Auto Parts. So I have all my links and everything. They have a lot of promotions that they have going on and stuff, especially for this month and next month. Actually, next month they got a good amount of promotions going on with brake kits, and stuff like that. And I'll leave all the links to the promotions in case you guys want to purchase or anything like that. But yeah. Just check that out. Make sure you guys follow all of my social media, my personal, my business, and everything, you guys. And if you got any questions, make sure you guys leave a comment, hit that bell so you get those post notifications whenever I'm dropping a video. You guys will be the first ones to actually see the video once I drop them. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out, you guys.